Hey everyone, this is Lori Greenwood, and today we're going to look at some tips to getting started in Radius CRM. Once you're inside the system, your desktop should look a little bit like this. The developer has placed some general view windows on your desktop, and those may or may not be helpful to you. So today we're going to look at ways to build a custom view window that helps you find your unique prospective students. To do that, let's go to the Contacts module and select Contacts from the drop-down menu. Then we're going to look for a navigational button called View and select Create. For the sake of our demonstration today, I'm going to look for prospective students who are interested in dual enrollment programs, and so I'm just going to call my view Dual Enrollment Test, and then I'm going to use this criteria builder to find them. So if the contact's academic interest contains any of our dual enrollment programs, let's select those. Then I'm going to add a line and say, or if the contact's already submitted an application, if their student application type contains any of our dual enrollment programs, and because I want to make sure that these contacts are not yet enrolled, I'm going to ask if the contact's first-time enrollment date is empty, and then I'm going to click Save. So here's my view window, but this doesn't tell me a lot, and I'm not really sure if I got the right group of students. So to check my work, I'm going to add some columns. And I'm simply going to add some of the points that we added to our criteria, like academic interest or student application type. And actually student intent would be good. And maybe I want first-time enrollment date. And because I'm curious as to how they wound up in the system, I'm going to select a data field known as Radius Lead Source, and that will tell me how they entered the system, and let's click OK. Now, this tells me a lot more. First of all, I can tell that they are not enrolled students. They don't have a first-time enrollment date, and it does look like their application types or their intent is showing dual enrollment programs. So I think we have a pretty good view, and now I want to load this view to my desktop. So let's go back to our home page. And to remove these views that are on your window now, you're just going to click the X in the top window and then say, yes, I want to delete this widget. And I'm going to take all of them off so that I have a clean desktop. And now I'm going to add the one I just built by clicking this button that says Add Widget, setting the module category to Contacts, and for my custom view, I'm simply going to look for the view window I built, which I named Dual Enrollment Test, and click OK. And there you have it. To change the layout so that you can see this a little better, you can click that first button to make it wider, and if you feel that you want to edit or revise your columns or criteria in any way, you can select the second button, which will take you back to the list, allowing you to edit or add columns. And that's how you build a view window in Radius CRM. If you have any questions for me, just let me know.